Kalani doesn't like to tell her age, but she will give a few hints. She had passed 1/20th of her life before she started school. She spent 15% of her life in school. After school, she worked for 1/10 of her life before she got married. She was married for 2/5 of her life. After reading Uncle Charlie's gravestone, you find out that she's been a widow for 24 years. How old is Kalani?
There are several ways to execute this problem. We're going to start by converting everything to 20ths. There's 1/20th, 3/20ths, 2/20ths, and 8/20ths.
This all adds up to 14/20ths, so now we know that Kalani has been a widow for 6/20ths of her life up until now.
Now we are able to convert the remaining 20ths to years. If 24 years was 6/20ths of her life, then we can divide that by 6 to find out how many years 1/20th of Kalani's life is.
Now we know that 1/20th of Kalani's life is equal to 4 years.
Now that we know that 1/20th of Kalani's life is 4 years, we can multiply 4 times 20 because Kalani has lived 20/20ths of her life. This tells us that Kalani is 80 years old.
80! The answer to this week's